Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Port Aransas, Texas, a delightful coastal town known for its beautiful beaches and vibrant community. Our journey begins as we travel through the heart of Port Aransas, a town that has long been a favorite destination for visitors seeking sun, sand, and sea. Port Aransas is located on Mustang Island, a barrier island that stretches along the Texas coast, offering stunning views of the Gulf of Mexico. The town has a rich history that dates back to the 19th century when it was a small fishing village. Over the years, Port Aransas has grown into a popular tourist destination while still maintaining its small-town charm. The community is known for its friendly atmosphere and strong connection to the water, with fishing and boating being key parts of the local lifestyle. Our journey continues as we make our way to the Port Aransas Ferry, which is the main link between Mustang Island and the mainland. The ferry ride offers a unique perspective of the area, with views of the water and the surrounding landscape. The ferry is an essential part of the local transportation network, providing a convenient way for residents and visitors to travel between the island and the mainland. The ferry crossing takes us across the Corpus Christi Ship Channel, a busy waterway that serves as a vital link for shipping and trade in the region. Thank you for joining us on this drive in Port Aransas, Texas. Thanks for watching!